Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to my presentation. First of all, I'd like to thank all of for you coming here today. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Cantika Apriliani. I am delighted to be here today to tell you about Indonesian food. This presentation consists of 3 sections. First, I'll start by talking about the main course, then I'll focus on the desserts, and finally I'll end with the snacks. This presentation will take about 10 minutes. There will be a question and answer session after my presentation. Thus, if you have question, please leave them until the end of the presentation. So let me begin this with a question. How many of you have ever tried all Indonesian food? I bet none of you have ever done that because our country has a wide variety of cuisines. It's said that Indonesia has around 5,350 traditional recipes. Among those cuisines in this section, I'll be looking at some main course. As we know, we in the Indonesians rarely have appetizers before eating the main dishes. We start our meal with main course instead of appetizer. Some famous Indonesian main dishes are sate, nasi goreng, and rendang. Sate or satay is a meat skewer that is grilled over hot coals. It is served with a sauce and lontong or rice cake. There are numerous variations of satay in Indonesia. Some of them are sate Madura, sate Padang, sate Marigi, dan lain-lain. Indonesia is even known for having the richest variation sate in the world. Next is nasi goreng or fried rice. Just like satay, there are also many variations of nasi goreng in our country. Common nasi goreng uses ketchup or sweet sauce to spice it. Nasi goreng is traditionally a breakfast dish that uses leftover rice from the previous day's meal. In 2011, nasi goreng was in number 2 for CNN's world's 50 most delicious food. The last Indonesia course dish I like to talk about today is rendang. Rendang is an original dish from Padang, Indonesia. Rendang is a beef that is braised in coconut milk and spices for 4 hours. The slow cooking method is the one that makes rendang so tender and rich with spice. Its tenderness and richness in flavor made rendang to be crowned as the number 1 dish on CNN's 2011 World 50 most delicious food. Now, let's move on the text section, which is about Indonesian dessert. The same as the main course, Indonesian dessert are also varied. I'll focus on 2 popular desserts, which are martabak manis and cendol. Let's Let's talk about martabak manis first. Martabak manis or sweet martabak is a bread like pancake. There are numerous toppings of martabak manis, but the most popular ones are sugar, chocolate sprinkles, cheese, and crushed peanuts. Martabak manis is served folded and cut to small squares that make two topping getting inside the martabak manis instead of on the top. Two second dessert is cendol. Cendol is made out of green rich flour warm like jelly, creamy coconut milk, shaved ice, and palm sugar syrup. We can also add jackfruit, durian, red beans as the additional topping of cendol. Cendol is served best in summer of when the weather is really hot along with snack. This leads us to the next section, which is about Indonesian snack. When we're talking about Indonesia food, it is not complete if we don't mention Indonesia snack in this presentation. I'd like to talk about Indonesian most popular snack, gorengan. I believe most Indonesian have tried gorengan. Gorengan or fritter is various kinds of ingredients buttered and deep fried. Gorengan is commonly sold by street vendors or traveling carts. There are numerous types of gorengan such as banana fritter, bakwan, cireng, cassava fritter, fried tofu, cassava fritter, potato fritter, etc. So that's all I wanted to say about Indonesia food. In conclusion, not only our country is rich in culture, but also cuisines. In this presentation, I only mentioned a few Indonesian food, but in reality, we have thousands of kind of cuisines. Now I'll be pleased to answer question if you have them. Key question and answer section. If there's no more question, I'd like to end my talk here. Thank you so much for coming and for listening to my presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.